Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss how to change EC2 instance type in AWS and what are the prerequisites for changing instance type and what are nitro instances and basically what is the requirement of changing the EC2 instance type. Like this is just t2.micro and there could be c5.xlarge or whatever it could be. So what is the requirement? Basically, let us discuss that first. So in the initial phase, maybe your traffic is low and your requirements are low as far as CPU and memory and network bandwidth are considered. But as with the time your business increases and you are having higher traffic, in that case you will need bigger EC2 instance. So for that reason, EC2 instance type need to be increased or we can say upgraded. So this is the reason basically. And what are nitro instance type and what are gen instance type? So basically this is nothing. This is the difference on the basic of architecture from the AWS side. Like there will be slight architecture difference, and why we are discussing this point, you will also get to know that as well. So first let us switch to AWS console itself. So here for changing the instance type, you have to select the instance, then you have to go to actions and then instance setting, and here you have to click on change instance type. But you are not getting this option to click because our instance is in running state, and this is the prerequisite of changing the instance type, that instance should be in stop state only. So we are going to stop the same. So let us wait for the instance to get stopped and then we will try to change the instance type. And also let me show you the instance type. It is t2.micro and it is Zen instance type. And you may check the list on the Amazon document itself, which particular instance type is Zen based and which one is nitro based. So it is in soft state now. And now go to actions again, instance setting, and here you can see that change instance type option is enabled for us. Here you have to just select the instance type that you want to use. I'm going to use here c4.xlarge and I'm just going to apply this change, and we have to just start the instance now, and that's it. We have successfully changed the instance type. So this is what we have to do for changing the instance type. But we have to do certain benchmarking to get the idea for which instance type we should go. Like we cannot select any random, because if you select a bigger instance type but your requirement is not that big, in that case you will end up by paying higher cost that was not expected, or we can say that is not the ideal cost that is to be paid by you. So you have to be smart enough in selecting the instance type so that your requirement are also fulfilled and at the same time you are paying the optimal cost. So we can see that instance is running and status check are still getting initialized. We will also check by connecting to this instance just to verify if it is working fine or not. It is taking time, so I am skipping this. So we can see that status check are successfully passed, and now let us try to connect to this instance. We can use session manager itself because we have already enabled that. We can see that we are successfully able to connect to this instance type. However, here we are getting 2x2 status check passed, but in few cases you may get 1x2 status check pass, because there are few drivers that are required for nitro instances and they are different from the gen instance type, and this is why I was telling you about nitro instance type. And for that you have to follow some simple steps. I will share the link of this document as well, because this is the solution. Why is my instance not booting after I changed its instance type to a nitro based instance type? Basically some NVMe modules are not installed, so that causes the issue. So resolution is simple. You have to follow this document and you can download the script by clicking this option. You will be redirected to this and you can download this script from here, and in any case if you are not able to download, you can just copy paste and you can create the script with the same name to that instance. Before changing the instance type itself. You can verify if you are updating the instance type to which instance type you are going. And if you are going to, let us assume C5, is that nitro or zen? So after creating that script, you can change the permission of this to make it executable, and then you have to run this script. That's it, and you will get this output. After that, you can successfully change the instance type and you will not get any issue. So this was all in this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Have a great learning, and please do subscribe this channel IT India.